In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product collection in Shopify. Whether you're just getting started with your online store or looking to organize your inventory more effectively, creating collections is an invaluable skill that'll elevate your e-commerce game. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. This is your control center, where all the magic happens. From there, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a menu. Click on the option labeled Products. This section is essentially the heart of your store, as it houses all of your items for sale. Once you're in the products section, keep your eyes peeled for a sub-menu on the left. Here, you'll see an option labeled Collections. Go ahead and click on that. Now, collections are a powerful tool in organizing your products into groups, making it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. Now, let's create a new collection. Look towards the top right corner of your screen, and you'll find a button that says Create Collection. Click on it, and this will bring us to a new page where we can start crafting our collection. Start by giving your collection a title. Think of this as the headline that will catch your customers' attention. Below the title, you'll find a description box. This is a great opportunity to provide some context or highlight what makes this collection special. Be as creative as you'd like, and remember, this is your chance to captivate potential buyers. Next, you'll encounter options related to the collection type. You have two choices here: manual or smart collections. A manual collection is precisely what it sounds like. You'll manually add each product yourself. A smart collection, on the other hand, uses tags to automatically group products together. For today's walkthrough, we'll focus on creating a manual collection. Let's add a product to your new collection. For this demonstration, let's search for shoes. Simply type in shoes, and you'll see product options appear. When you locate the products you want to be included, click the checkbox next to each one. Once you've selected all the desired products, you'll notice an Add button. Go ahead and click Add, and the products will be whisked away into your newly created collection. After you have all your products lined up in the collection, there's only one more step left. Scroll down slightly, and you'll find the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Click Save, and voila! You have successfully created a new collection in your Shopify store. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only created a new collection, but also enhanced your store's user experience. Now, customers can easily browse through grouped items, making their shopping journey smoother. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll master the art of managing your Shopify store like a pro.